Okay, so now that we have our stems and our caps separated, we're going to ignore these for a minute, and we're going to work on our stems here. And what we want to do with the stems is we want to just chop those up nice and fine. We'll just grab them and just go over them like so. Because we're going to use these. It's going to be part of the mixture and the filling that we put inside of our mushroom caps. So, and you know I never like to waste anything. So we're going to just keep everything. This whole mushroom, we're going to utilize the whole mushroom. Let's just kind of finely chop this. Use your finger as a guide, of course. And we'll just kind of move that over there. Switch your finger as a guide. Okay, and here are the stems, nicely finely chopped, and we're going to utilize that. That's going to be part of our filling. So I'm going to finish the rest of these up, and I will see you on the next step.